5 ways to remain self-motivated after a setback. You did it. You figured out how to be self-motivated. It was no small feat, but now you're done, right? Not so fast. Just because you learned how to be motivated from within doesn't mean the chase is over and you've won the game. Just as life has its ebbs and flows, people have their own ups and downs. You may have a setback or 2 or 3, and in that case, you have no idea how your mindset could change. That may sound daunting, but it's important to be realistic. If you've gotten this far as a self-motivated individual, you've likely had to be realistic with yourself in the past. It's not game over. You've just started a new level, a new phase of life that you'll have to conquer. Check out these 5 ways to keep up the self-motivation after facing a setback. 1. Redefine your approach. If you did the same things for your entire life and never made changes to your approaches, you probably wouldn't make much progress. When you feel like you hit a roadblock, view it as a chance to figure out a new way around it. 2. Spend time with people who make you feel good. Not everyone makes you feel great. Whether it's a personality conflict or someone who brings you down, if you feel like you're leaving a social situation with more negative feelings than positive ones, it might be a good idea to check out of it altogether. Those people definitely won't lift you up and help you get back on your feet. 3. Give yourself some TLC. The first thing you may do when you experience a setback is to get angry with yourself. You may turn from self-motivation mode to self-deprecation mode in a matter of moments. Don't do that. Instead, remind yourself of all the great things you've done, all your accomplishments and wonderful qualities. Give yourself a designated period of self-care, because as soon as you beat yourself up about something, it'll be that much harder to get those inspiration levels back up later. 4. Reward yourself at least once daily. While you're indulging in self-care, be sure to do at least one positive, uplifting thing daily. That doesn't mean finishing a pint of ice cream or staying in bed all day. It means you should do something productive that makes you happy. Try taking a walk outside or cooking a healthy, delicious meal. Maybe you'd like to try out a new hobby or start going to the gym. 5. Let the past be the past. It's called the past for a reason. You could spend hours thinking about what happened before your setback and how you could have changed it. Hindsight is 20/20, so the only thing that'll happen here is it'll make you feel worse. Be confident in your decisions and don't look back.